In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way to add curved text to your Canva documents, making your design stand out with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Canva document where you'd like to make some creative magic happen. If you haven't already started one, no worries, just create a new design in Canva to begin. Having your canvas open and ready is essential as it sets the stage for all the fun you're about to have with text manipulation. Next, you'll want to add some text to your design. To do this, navigate to the left side of your screen where you'll find the option labeled Text. With just a click, you'll be presented a variety of font choices. Now take your time to scroll through and select a font style that really speaks to your design aesthetic or specific project needs. Remember, choosing the right font is crucial as it can drastically change the tone and feel of your design. Now that your text is selected, click directly on it and look for the Effects button that should appear in the toolbar up at the top of your screen. Clicking on Effects is where the real customization begins. Once clicked, you'll notice a variety of options popping up on the left side of your screen, each offering unique ways to enhance your text. From these options, focus your attention on the Curve effect, which can be found under the section dedicated to shapes within the Effects panel. Clicking on Curve is a transformative step. It's what enables you to bend and shape your text into a captivating curved form. Once you've applied the Curve effect, you'll see a slider. This slider allows you to adjust exactly how curved you want your text to be, giving you full control over the final look. Play around with the slider until the curve fits just right with your design vision. And just like that, you're done. With these simple and straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to add curved text to your Canva design. This feature not only adds flair, but is also highly versatile within a wide range of creative projects. Whether you're aiming for a playful look or something more modern and streamlined, curved text can be a great tool in your design kit. So go ahead and experiment with different fonts and curve configurations to discover what works best for your individual project. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to explore even more features within Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.